Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at the design for the reverse connection RED client, a hybrid client that has a listening port. So this was the diagram we saw in the earlier lessons, and we have already designed and created the server, and now we are taking a look at the client. And the client, we are going to design it such a way that it has a listening port 6666, and the reason why we chose 6666 is only for instructional purposes. If you are going to deploy this on the internet, it will be better to use port 80, port 80, and the reason why is because firewalls do not block port 80, so that if the RED in the server RED is going to reach out and penetrate the firewall, if you are going out to port 80, it will go through easily. So that's why we will use port 80 for production REDs, for production clients. But for purposes of this instruction, we are choosing port 6666. So, and the reason why it is called a hybrid client is because this client is in some ways also partly a server, because it is actually having a listening port. That's why it's called a hybrid client. Design of client user interface. So this is the graphical user interface design for our new client program. So as you can see, it has got windows, and there are three main parts. You have the main output here, where you can see all the responses that comes back from the server. And then below here you have an input text box where you can type the commands. So after typing a command, you press enter, and that command will be sent over to the server, and then when the server responds, it will come back and display it up here. And bottom we have your status, which shows you the status of the connections. So now it is showing you the responses that comes back from the server. So if we had sent a dir command, and the server will respond like this and show you the contents of the directory. Dir command is to list the directory contents. So this basically is how we are going, what we are going to design in our client user interface. So this is just to give an idea so that you will know what to expect when we start coding in the next lesson. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.